Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So how is everybody doing today? Well, I hope so. I'm doing pretty good. So, when you want to open a mystery box, you know, I love opening mystery boxes of yarn. Any kind of mystery box. Mystery boxes of yarn are my favorite. And boy, do I love them. Let's open one. Let's do it. So I've opened mystery boxes before from the same company. Kramer Yarns. This is a Kramer Yarn mystery box. Now, I'm gonna swing these around. It's okay though. I got it under control. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Kramer Yarns, they are based in the U.S. They mill their own yarn there. Small yarn company. They have very beautiful yarns, not just mystery boxes. Their mystery boxes, though, they sell out very, very fast because they are very, very nice and they contain a lot of yarn. If you're allergic to wool, I recommend do not buying Kramer mystery boxes because I know they mill a lot of wool there. And the yarn does not have labels, so you do not know what it is. You can only just assume what it is. But they're always very good. I have several unboxings of them. Let's do it. Oh, and they come in, they ship so fast. Let's see, I ordered this. No joke, man. No joke. Straight up. I ordered this 10 minutes later. 10. Maybe even less than 10. It could have been 8. They shipped it. They had it shipped. Hey, Scout's honor. I'm serious. That's the way it went down. I was like, holy crikeys, that was fast. And it got here in 2 days. They ship UPS. Now that's to me. And they are from Pennsylvania to Illinois. Yeah, it always gets here really fast. They almost always ship the same day or the next day. They have 10-pound mystery boxes, 20-pound mystery boxes. 10 pounds are $34.95. 20 pounds, I think, are $79.95, and you do have to pay shipping, but that depends on where you live. I've seen some people only have to pay $10, and some people will have to pay like $50. I think it depends on where you live. I usually get the 20-pound mystery boxes, and they're $75, and with the shipping, mine runs around $90, so $95 maybe, so something like that. I pay. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. All right, enough talk. Crystal say, enough talk. Bagoday, open the box. What's in the box, man? That's my new saying. I stole it from Brad Pitt from the movie. It's yarn in the box. It's yarn in the box. All right, let's see what we got up in here. Sometimes I can guess what's in these, and sometimes I cannot. You just don't know, but I know it is a crap ton of yarn. Look at this box. Look at this box.
It's a bunch of yarn for you yarn heads.
Ignore my husband. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So I have some of this yarn here. A lot of the times they're full hanks or full skeins. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. I don't know. Most of the time I think they are. I do believe this is a cotton acrylic blend that they sell on their website, but I'm not certain. But this one is got cardboard on it. That's okay. So I do have a bunch of these in here. It's kind of mixed up in here. Got a thank you note. And so let's just see what we got. I got some of the same stuff in this burgundy. I got this in my last mystery box. It's okay. It's okay. It's never enough. You can always have more. This one's got cardboard fuzzies all over the hank. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Cardboard fuzzies and styrofoam fuzzies. So if I ever give these away in giveaways and they have cardboard and styrofoam fuzzies on them, that's just how they came to me. I'm going to sort it out here and show you. And then I got some of this boucle yarn. This is pretty. It's like a very neutral, earthy color there. I think I got that in my last mystery box. Right now I'm sorting them so I can tell you how much I got of each. Usually they're sorted a little bit better than this one. This one probably got tossed around quite a bit in shipment, would be my guess. But I mean, there's just so much yarn in these boxes that it's so worth it. Ooh, I got some of this. I didn't get this last time. Actually I did, but I got it in white. Now I got it in this beautiful blue. I know this is a, gosh, styrofoam fuzzies everywhere. I know this is a an acrylic mohair blend. It is a lightweight, but it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I got some more boucle. Okay, this one's really dusty for some reason. It's gonna flare up my allergies. Okay, the box itself, it's just got a lot of dust in it for some. Dust and styrofoam and cardboard and pieces of straw or something in it. That's okay. I got some black boucle. Here's some more of it. Here's some more of it. Yeah, there's pieces of grass and stuff in it. I don't know what's going on with this. I've never had a problem with them before, but this one's like super, look at this. That's like, it's okay. It's just like pieces of grass, pieces of dust, I guess. I don't know what happened in this. Anyways, it's still usable. You just gotta shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Make me sneeze. Make me sneeze. That's a lot of yarn up in here, though. This one's pretty. I don't think I've ever had that one before. Knock the grass and fuzzies off of it. That's crazy. Oh, there's some cool yarn here in the bottom I never had. I'm not mad. I don't care about the little bit of the stuff that's on it. It's just, like I said, it's just a little bit of, I don't know if it's mill dust, you know, it's milling, so it's probably just yarn fibers, and there is a little bit of pieces of grass and styrofoam and cardboard in it, but no biggie. I don't really care about that. It's never happened before, but first time for everything. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. And then, let's see, I got some of this in the green. I don't have any of this green. That's pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. And then I love getting these big hanks because these are fun to dye just for fun. Look at this big hank. That's the biggest hank I've ever saw in my life. That's the biggest hank I have ever saw in my life. And it's I can almost tell you that it's 100% wool, and I'm going to dye it. See, it's like styrofoam in my hair. Styrofoam, cardboard, straw. It's all right. That is so cool. It's huge. You can make multiple small hanks out of that probably. So this I'll keep for dyeing up yarn just for fun. I like to dye for fun. Dye yarn for fun. Dye yarn. I make videos on it. I've never had anything like this in there before. That's cool. Thick rubbing style yarn. Never ever seen these in their mystery boxes. That's new. So I got some stuff. I mean, I bought a lot of Kramer mystery boxes before, and a lot of the, you know, they're not always the same, but sometimes they are. Or you get a lot of the same similar yarns, but I got a couple different ones this time, which I'm happy about. It's kind of messy, but you're still in it with me. Watch me roll up yarn. Okay, I'm just gonna. Gosh, usually they give you 10 of the smaller ones, so I might call it that because it's really. Oh, here's some more different ones. These are thicker, see, than these. They're different. You could put those together. That would be pretty together, because this is really thin, like a 1 weight. But it has the halo on it. The halo is the fur that's on it. And mix it with that one, which it looks to be like a 3 or 4 weight. That would be pretty together. I might keep those light blues. I have some of these already, but I might keep these. I won't keep all this stuff, but anyways. Then I got some of this. These aren't, I don't know what is up with the dust, man. Some of this. I got some of this before. It's pretty stiff feeling, so it's probably some type of wool. It probably make a nice, you know, sweater. But sometimes they give them to you hanked up, and then sometimes you have to hank them yourself, so it's not that big of a deal. Like that giant hank was funny, man. That was the biggest hank I've ever seen in my life. So yeah, sometimes you'll have to hank them up yourself. So Okay, I can kind of give you the gist of what else is in the box here. So, these are new to me. I've never had this one before. Not in this color anyways. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you the fiber, but I do think it's pretty. And I can tell you it's a 4-weight. There are 10 of those in the box. Okay? And there are 10 of this color right here, which I am almost certain it's 100% acrylic. 100%. I'm almost certain that it's a cotton acrylic blend. I'm almost certain. So there's 10 of those. And this is the same, only navy. There's 10 of those. And this is the same, only green. And there are 10 of those as well. And then I have these, this one, which is, I'm not sure what this is, but there's 10 of them. And there's 10 of these as well. A lot of yarn up in this box. You just kind of got to go through it all. Now, these blue ones like this that I have to hang up, that it's kind of stiff, you know. Oh, look how perfect it matches my wristband. That's cool. That's cool. So there's, you see all that stuff coming off of it? That's so weird. I've never had that happen in a mystery box from Kramer. Yeah, there's 10 of those as well. And then, let's see. And then and then I got one of these. My big old Hank. I'm going to name him Hank. I like it. And then I got the boucle. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 of the black. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like I got 8 of the green ones here. And let me see if I can dig out anything else. Nope, everything else appears to be the same. So that's a lot of yarn in that box for that amount of money. I'm happy with it. I'm not happy that it was so dusty. I'm not understanding why. The bottom of the boxes is covered in like cardboard, styrofoam, grass, and dusty fibers, which I'm gonna have to use some Flonase in a minute to counteract this dusty fiber mess. It's just fibers, probably. I'm certain it's just fibers. But I'm not, you know, I've never had a bad experience with Kramer like that before. It's not, I guess it's not, it's, like I said, it's not even bad. It just shakes off. But I like it. I'm happy with everything that I got. And oh, and I got these two, which I've never had before. They're pretty cool. Make a basket or something out of it. Did I show you everything? That's a lot of yarn. So I got like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, if I had to guess, it's in between 90 and 100 balls of yarn. Closer to 100 is what, probably about 98, something like that, is what I got. That's a lot of balls of yarn for what I paid, what I say, 90 some dollars. So, you know, it's like $1 a ball. And they're all very nice. Like I said, some of them's a little stiff because they're 100% wool, but they'll work great for sweaters. Most of them, I can see that most of them are pretty full, complete balls. They just don't have a label. You don't know what they are. That's okay though. That smells good. That one does. That one smells like wool. I think that one has wool in it. That one does. That one don't. Yep. This stuff. That smells good too. It don't even smell like yarn. It smells like candy. Like cotton candy. That's weird. And this one kind of smells like perfume. They smell good. Let me smell this one. That smells like dusty yarn, kind of. That kind of smells like that perfumey stuff, too. I don't know why it smells like that, but it makes it does. None of it smells bad. Let me try this blue stuff. Wool. I love the smell of wool, but that one was a little dusty. Okay, it was fun. It was a good time. I highly recommend Kramer's mystery boxes. I've never been disappointed. This is the only time that I've ever gotten one that had like cardboard and stuff in the box, in the bottom of the box. That was just probably just a fluke. That's never happened, and I bought tons and tons of Kramer mystery boxes. So I would not worry about that at all. I'll just dust all this off and it'll be it'll be no, it's fine. It's fine. I'll just dust it off, or my husband will not. I don't even. It's just, like I said, it's probably just yarn fibers, and there was a little bit of grass in some of it, but whatever it is, it'll come off. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. It was a good time. I love opening mystery boxes, but I have to say, out of all the yarn I got, this one's my favorite. And I do like that I got these two together. It just, I've had this one before, and I've had this one before, but I never thought about putting them together. I don't know why. But now that they're together in one box, I see it. Do you guys see the vision of what that could be? That would make a pretty sweater with a halo on it if you put those two together. And I like this too. And it smells like perfume. I don't know why. I like the smell of it too. Some of these do too. All right. That's it. I'm going to go hug my big Hank. My Hank I named Hank. Thank you everybody for watching. It was so much fun. Now, Kramer runs out of mystery boxes super fast. I always suggest you sign up to their mailing list and maybe follow them on Facebook or something. Because they'll usually tell when they have mystery boxes in stock again. Or you can stock their site like I do. Bye, guys.